Welcome to Mastering Redash, from installation to interactive dashboard. In this course, I will guide you step by step through Redash, one of the most powerful open source data visualization and dashboarding tool used by data engineer, analyst and BI professionals. Whether you are a beginner or already working with data, this course is designed to take you from zero to building real world dashboards. Redash is widely used because it's simple, fast, and extremely flexible. It allows you to connect to multiple data sources, write SQL queries, create rich visualization, and build interactive dashboard all in one place. If you are working in data analytics, business intelligence, or data engineering, Redash is a must have skill. This course is designed for a wide audience. If you are a data analyst looking to build dashboard, a data engineer working with multiple data sources, or a beginner wanted hands-on BI experience, this course is for you. No prior Redash experience is required. Everything is explained from scratch. The course is structured in a very practical and logical way. We start with the fundamentals, move to the installation and administration, then work with real data sources, visualization, and dashboards. Finally, you will complete a real world capstone project to apply everything you have learned. In the first section, you will understand what Redash is and how it works internally. You will learn about Redash components, its architecture, and how queries, visualization, and dashboard fit together. Next, we will move in a complete hands on section where we install Redash from scratch. I will show you how to install Docker Desktop on Windows 10 or 11 and run Redash locally using Docker. This setup closely matches r- real or on premises enterprise environment. Administration is a critical part of working with Redash in real organization. In this section, you will learn system admin basics and how to manage data source permission securely, including hands-on demonstration. This one is one of the most important section of the course. You will connect Redash to real on-premises data source like Cassandra, Hive, and MySQL. We will write SQL queries using parameters, create reusable query snippet, and even load CSV files into MySQL for visualization. In the visualization section, you will explore almost every chart type supported by Redash. More importantly, I will explain which chart to use and when. So you don't just build dashboard but meaningful and insightful ones. Dashboard brings everything together. You will learn how to create interactive dashboard, apply filters, enable auto refresh and design dashboard that updates in real time. Finally, we wrap up this course with a complete capstone project. You will work on a video game sales dataset and build a professional Redash dashboard from scratch, just like you would in a real job. By the end of this course, you will be confident in installing Redash, manage it, connecting to data source, writing queries, and building production ready dashboard. These are real job ready skills. I am excited to have you in the course. Let's get started and master Redash together. See you in the first lecture.